I want to thank the guys at Doinart for sending me this red light therapy machine. It's really good for healing, for wellness. It's something that everyone should be using because now it's just not a fad. The research is in and this stuff works. Okay, so let me show you what comes in here, right? So basically everything that you need to start your red light therapy journey comes in this package. And this package comes with two, right? Two of these boots, right? And you put your foot in there, right? And the way it works is red light therapy penetrates through the skin, right? So and there's different wavelengths that you want to observe, right? So there's just regular red light therapy, which is in nanometers. It's up to 700 nanometers, right, in wavelength. So when you see the wavelength, it's talking about what the spectrum of and the wavelength of the light is, because the more nanometers per second, the more penetration it comes. And some of these devices have both just red light therapy, which is really good for, you know, for having nice skin, for collagen production, for healing like scars, that kind of stuff. But when you want penetrating light, you're going to want to go into the near infrared, which is upwards of the 800 nanometers, and that way, right, you're gonna have the benefit of healing. Let's say you're like a runner, right, and you want to stop the inflammation from your ankles after a big marathon. Let's say that you have swelling on your feet and you have inflammation in there, right? So this unit will help you to lower the inflammation. I mean, inflammation is good because inflammation is telling you that there's something wrong. But in this case, you want also to address the problem, and this will help you minimize the inflammation. So it comes with everything, and it has this controller that helps you select the mode that you want. It has 5 different modes, and each mode, like 1, 2, 3, 4, is more intensity. And the more intensity, right, the more watts that is sending to the device, the more intensity, which means that the more penetration. But you also have a mode, which is the 5th mode, which is pulsing, right? So you want, it's a nice therapy, it's therapeutic, right? So let me show you, let me turn it on, so you see how beautiful it looks inside, right? Because, you know, the light and the diodes are pretty, right? So there you go. Now this is what you see inside the device, right? And the device is made, it's medical grade device, and it's made to last. All these materials are really well made. It's really sturdy, and this material is breathable. In there you see the LEDs, the light emitting diodes. These diodes emit red light. That red light gets to the mitochondria of your cells, and it creates ATP. And ATP is what heals everything, right? Look into, in this video might turn into a half-an-hour video if I talk to you about and start nerding out about what it is, but that's basically what it is. Now, that's how it is, and you put your foot in there, you decide how long you want to do it. you don't want to overdo this. You want to maybe, at the beginning, because, you don't know how your skin is going to react to it. You might want to, start with a 5-minute session to see what happens, right? And then you increase it as time goes by. And they recommend that it's done several times a week. I've been using this for a while to deal with the inflammation of my feet, but really I used it when I broke my ankle. I'm a snowboarder, so I broke my elbow, so I had it for the healing, right? You know that with elbows, you cannot put a cast on it. When you break your elbow, that's it. And you want to have fast healing because you need your elbows, like really, you notice how much. So that's how I used it. It was great, and I super recommend it. Thank you to the guys at Doinart for sending this to me. I've been using it already, but I'll be not only using it but recommending it to my friends, because this is this is something that should be in everyone's house. And if you love somebody, you're going to want to send them one of these so that they heal like you are. Recommend it.